Boo! I'm here back with the new video. Gangster Vegas. And I forgot that I'm gonna be doing that thing again, like that thing, like I jump off the airplane and I have to land in the swimming pool. Well, I took practice and I finally got it. And I'm gonna try this video. I'm gonna see if in this video I'm gonna be able to make this thing, because I made it twice now. This is my, if I make it, this is gonna be my third time now making this jump, and then I don't care if I make it or not. Why? I just want to be impressed, like see how far or how much I improved on this thing. So now I'm just gonna go high up, and I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Well, I'm just gonna do a boring now. This is much clearly because I tried this in a night in Gangster Vegas. So now, yeah, this is my arch enemy. This is my arch enemy. A swimming pool. Please make it. Please make it. Please make it. Please. Oh. No! I knew it. That tree was gonna steer in my way. What was I going to do? Okay, I'm gonna retry this. I'm going to retry this again. So now I'm back to this video. I just got to a helicopter. Took me a long time. I got chased by cops and I went to go steal a chopper, but that didn't work out that good. But now let's go. We get a free airplane now. Up, up. We need to go up to Goku and Superman. We need to go up there where God lives. Go up there, but I can't. It's too hard to get up there. Okay, now let's see. Let's retry this. Forever and after, yay. Where's my phone? Well, who cares about my phone? Who cares about my phone? This is we're talking about my life, not that stupid plane. Now, go. Let's go. Gotta see if I got a possibility. Yeah. Yes. No. I was about to. I messed up again. I messed up. Ugh. Oh my god.